Hi guys, Jeremy Pang here. Welcome to School of Wok. Today I'm going to show you a chicken chow mein, the UK's favourite. Chicken chow mein, really simple. Chow mein actually means fried noodles in Chinese. Chow mein. So first, to set up your veg, I'm going to grab some Pak Choi, just a few leaves of Pak Choi, some Choi Sum, that's like a vegetable, heart vegetable, literal translation. Choi Sum, red pepper, some bean sprouts, spring onion to garnish at the end. Everything needs to be finely sliced. This fried noodle is packed full of veg. With your pepper, easy way to do it, or good way to practice your knife skills, it's what we call the roll cut. Following the inside wall of your pepper, long sawing movements. We only need about half a pepper here. Again, finely sliced. The wok clock, starting at 12 o'clock with your hardest vegetable, the pepper. And then your Pak Choi and Choi Sum next to that. And your marinated chicken is going to go just after your bean sprouts. So your chicken needs to be sliced nice and thinly and marinated. The marinade's really simple. It's what I call a classic Chinese marinade. Light soy sauce, sesame oil, and a good pinch of sugar. Roughly half a tablespoon of light soy. A drizzle of sesame oil. Pinch of sugar. Give that a good massage through. Make sure all that sauce is taken up by the chicken. Then the only thing we're missing is your egg noodles. Your egg noodles, most importantly, don't boil them. Just soak them in hot water for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're softened. They'll be nice and separate. Every strand of noodle needs to be separate from each other. Drain them and dry them on a clean tea towel. Once they're bone dry, they're ready to stir fry. Last thing, we're going to make up your stir fry sauce. Very simple. We've got some gluten-free oyster sauce here. About half a tablespoon. Same amount of light soy sauce. Same again with your dark soy sauce, and this will help colour the noodles. Just to help further caramelise, about half a teaspoon of sugar. Coat the noodles nicely. Give that a good stir. And for some nutty sort of finish to your noodles, a little drizzle of sesame oil. That should be enough sauce to just wrap around my noodles nicely. Onto the wokking. Always get your wok to a really high heat. Oil into the wok. My wok clock is ready, so I'm going to start at 12 o'clock with my hardest vegetable, my red pepper. If you love your vegetables like I do, and you've got lots on there, you can cook your veg first, take it out, and then get back to your chicken and bring your veg back in later on. I'll show you that now. Smoking hot wok, peppers in. Fold that through nicely. There's a few ways to cool your wok down. Firstly, stirring. Secondly, pushing and folding. Number 3, what we call the wok toss. Long push forward, quick flick back. And lastly, the tummy and the head. Round and round, back and forwards, like this. Round and round, back and forwards. You don't want to overcook your veg. So push that to the back. Allow space for your next ingredient. A little splash of oil. And then your Pak Choi and Choi Sum can go straight into the wok. Fold that through nice and gently. Keep that sizzle going, never lose your sizzle. Really circulate that air nicely. Bean sprouts only really need about 30 seconds of flash frying. So just push that veg to the back, allow space for your bean sprouts, and then again, just a drizzle of oil, smoking hot, bean sprouts in. Fold your veg into it, give it a tummy in the head, round and round, back and forwards, and they'll collect nicely into that center of the wok. And then just push those aside, ready to finish off with your chicken and your noodles. And that just gives you a bit more space in the wok and allows your wok to stay at a really high heat when you're flash frying the chicken. Oil in the wok, smoking hot. Once it's smoking hot, your chicken can go in. Got to have that sizzling sound. Sear that chicken nicely. Fold over. Sear the other side. I'm going to cook that chicken halfway through. Really smoking hot now. We're going to start to finish off our stir fry quite quickly here. My noodles are now coming in, and you'll see a nice long strands of noodles. I'm going to reintroduce my vegetables. Loads of veg there. And then we're going to go tummy in the head. Round and round, back and forward. Round and round, back and forwards. Back down on the heat. This time, sauce goes in. And again, round and round, back and forwards. Round and round, back and forwards. And you just keep going with your tummy in the head. Every 20 seconds or so, until those noodles take all that sauce up. You can see that sauce starting to caramelize around the noodles now. Almost there. There's a little sauce sitting on the bottom of the wok at the moment. I just want to make that stick around the noodles. Oh, it's a workout. Right, we're pretty much there. I can sense that starting to just about stick at the bottom of the wok. Once your noodles have that caramelized finish, your chicken chow mein's ready. Lastly, spring onion over the top. Just keep a little aside for garnish. And that spring onion will wilt in, give it a little bit of added flavour. Time to plate up. Nice long noodles. Signifies long life in Chinese tradition. You know if your noodles have been cooked nicely. There's barely any sticking on the base of your wok. You just have that smokiness collecting through each strand of noodle. Spring onion, just to garnish. There you have it, your chicken chow mein. home style. Got the smokiness from the wok. Great caramelisation. That's a good chow mein. Oh, you're still there. Oh, you're still there. Don't forget to subscribe.